Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Wyngaard, a U.S. immigration attorney who specializes in E-2 visas. So if you're interested in investing, working, and living in the United States, you are in the right place. But before we just dive in, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this information, please do feel free to share it with them. Alrighty, so today we're going to discuss how to use equipment and inventory as part of your E-2 visa investment strategy. So this topic often comes up, especially when businesses like trucking companies or really any business that deals with significant inventory or expensive equipment is applying for an E-2. So first and foremost, you need to be able to trace the source of the funds for the investment or inventory. How did you buy the equipment? Who owns it now? Who bought it? These details need to be clear in your E-2 application. Additionally, all equipment and inventory must be in the United States from the time you submit your E-2 application through your visa interview. So this can be challenging if you're running a similar business in another country and you need your equipment there. For example, this often comes up with Canadian trucking companies. They'll often ask if they can use their trucks as part of their U.S. investment for the E-2 thresholds. The answer is yes, but that truck must then be moved to the United States and stay there through the application and interview process. So this might mean being without your equipment for 8 to 12 weeks, so you do have to plan accordingly. Now, alternatively, if you don't want to use the equipment as part of your investment, keep it in your home country until you get that E-2 visa. Then you can bring it on over. But if it is part of your investment strategy, we need to know its value and we need to have it physically located in the United States during the application process. Now, we also need logistics documents like bills of lading and shipping documents to prove that it is in the United States. We will even ask you to take pictures of the trucks or the equipment to show its presence in the United States as well. Another key point for your E-2 application is sourcing. Who bought the equipment? When was it purchased? Was it purchased by a company you own with partners, or was it bought personally by you? These details are crucial. We need to show receipts and bank statements, even if the purchase was from years ago. So for equipment or inventory bought a while back, we need to determine its current value. If it was purchased recently, the purchase price usually works, but for older items, we need a valuation. For vehicles, something like Kelley Blue Book can help. The idea is to show what the item is worth now, the current value. All right, so to recap, if you want to use equipment or inventory as part of your E-2 investment, ensure that it is physically located in the United States during the application and interview process. Number 2, properly sourced with clear ownership and purchase details. Number 3, valued accurately, whether recently purchased or even years ago. And 4, remember, we're not just looking to move assets to the US, we're building a business here. So you'll likely need to invest additional capital to develop that business beyond just the value of the equipment or inventory. Now, if you have any other questions or would like to discuss your E-2 visa plans further, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you navigate the process. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.